Alright, what is up, guys? It is December the 11th. Currently 8:46 p.m. Kind of late. I usually don't make my recaps this late. But we are going to go over the trades that I made today. Technically, I am finishing up $853, but I'm only finishing up $755 on this account. And I'm actually finishing up $98 on this live account that I am trading. They give me $14,000 to trade with. Yesterday I took a small trade, just kind of playing around, lost 40 bucks. But today I took two trades and ended up making 98. Now I was being very conservative because there's a $700 drawdown, and once you reach that, you're done. So they lock the account, you're kicked out of it. But anyways, I'm now up 54 in the green on that account. So go back to the main trading. Okay, so my first trade was on LMPX, and this one kind of really got on my nerves because I'll just pull up the live video. I put in a limit order here for 500 shares at 16.44, and you can see up here it's 9:31 and 30 seconds. Everyone knows that uses the simulator for TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform that there is a delay or a lag in the first minute and a half. Usually about this time it'll let you get in. It did not fill my order until a whole minute later when it was at the very top. So I went back and readjusted it because it's just garbage. It pisses me off. The other day I tried to get into LMPX in the first minute. I knew I wouldn't get filled, but I knew where I hit the button and I adjusted it then. But I'm going to play it here. But this is what I'm saying. So I have a $500 limit order at 16.44, and where I have it paused, let me see if y'all can even see this. Well, you can see it barely, but let me pull it up. So where I have it paused, you can see the time and sales right here. And you can already see, let's see, at 16.13 to 11, 211 shares. 16.13, 100 shares. So that's already 311. 16.28, 50. 16.20, 200. 16.10, 100. So this would have easily been taken out. There's no reason for it not to be taken out. Now I'm going to press play. Let me turn the audio off. So I'm going to press play, and you just watch it bounce around. So it's just sitting there, not getting filled. And I'm like, seriously? So many orders went through. So many orders went through. So that's why I adjusted it. So 500 at 6.44, and then I did end up hitting the market order button right after all that crap. So 500 more at 16.61, and then let me just take this to a tick by tick. Let's see if it'll go back far enough. And it will. So 16.30. Let's do 2 ticks because this is just a little bit too hard. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this after hours. I didn't even notice this. Holy crap. 1950. Man, I should have swung 1,000 shares of that. Let's go all the way back to 930. Okay, so I put my exit at 1745 because it literally hits it like 15 times. So I would have just thrown it up on the bid or the ask. It actually went over. It went to 1746 and then hit 1750. So 500 shares or 1,000 shares easily would have been taken out. 17. That's why I wanted to see the tick by tick. It's amazing the difference between one tick and two ticks. So we're at 1932 or 932. 932. Tick by tick, and it's not even. Is this yesterday? Is that why? Yeah, that's why. That's why. Okay. So you can see all these ticks. See, these are above already. That one, boom, 1,000 shares. Right. Oh, no, 200. 200 there. 200 there. 100, 500. 500. Let's see how much these over here above were. 200, 200, 200. Maybe I should pull that down to 1722 because it might not have been filled. Ah, 2-4. $200, 100. Thousand. It's amazing how little volume went through during this time. So I'm going to change that to 1722 because it would not have probably filled. So let's see, what would my new P&L for the day be? Let's see. Oof, that hurts it quite a bit. So that brings it down to 525 plus 98. 525 plus 98, 623 on the day. So, yeah, still green. So, that's fine. Not a big deal. I'll have to adjust it here. I'll do that later. Okay, so, LMPX. We didn't get filled at the top because there wouldn't have been enough ticks. So, there was plenty at 1722. So that's what we'll go by. 1722. Next trade, CEI. let's see. I lost $920 on this one. And there's just a ton of orders. I need to bring this back down. So CEI, let's see. Just bring this over so you can see all the executions. I mean, it was a lot. So honestly, I just don't even want to go over it. Basically, every time I come up to a top, I bought in, it came down. Came out of the top, I bought in, it came down. Every time. So I don't even want to go over all the trades. I lost $920. You can see all the tickers I traded and the P&Ls. So, but we're still going to go over the other trades. I just don't feel. Let me pull this up here. Show trades. Boom, bam. Ugh. Just see that mess. You can pause it and go through all those if you want. 6,000 shares at 334. Added 2,000. Sold 2,000. Sold 6,000. I mean, it's just too much to be down $900 something. And I'm going to turn this back off because it is just a mess. Okay. DPW. Let's go over that one. DPW. I traded this one kind of in the afternoon. First trade was a loser. Bought 5,000 shares here at 115. No, is that right? No. Okay. I did trade a little bit this morning. Let's see. 944. I didn't mark my trades here. 5,000 at 115. Oof. Top of that candle. I sold 1,000 at 119. 1,000 at 120. Okay. Trying to figure out what's going on, but it separated the trades because I knew that I traded in the afternoon too. So we'll have to go back over that one. 124, 1,000 at 137. Ah! Don't do this to me. Oh, I caught the top. Pretty much. Hot diggity dog. And 1,000 at 133 on the way back down. Was that in the same minute? Yeah, 46. So, bam. You see the executions. So that was a nice little winner there. And okay, I do finish up 580 on the ticker. So that was that trade. I traded it again. What are we looking at? DPW. Okay, so the next trade I lost 60 bucks on, and that was the one in the afternoon here. So I bought 8,000 at 156. Sold it at 154. Should have held on to it because it did come back. Then I bought 8,000 at 157. Selling 2,000 at 160. 2,000 at 163. 2,000 at 164. And another 2,000 at 164. So that was a nice little winner there. After that tiny little loss, so I was probably up like $700 or $800 here. Then I bought 4 more thousand at 172, doubling up with another 4,000 at 163, and then selling the whole 8,000 at 163. So the 4,000 I bought up here was, basically just a loss here, and then the other 4,000 was break even. And that was, so between all this trading here, that was a total of a $60 loss. Still finishing up 520? Yeah, 520 on the name. Next stock is MYSZ. Oof, this one just so bad. Drove me nuts. So I lost $210 on this one. And I fall for this so often. So a stock will, spike up, whatever, go red on the day, U-shape around, come up, and then when it breaks the high day, it just spikes up hard. and it spiked up hard, and then it came down so fast that I didn't get out until way down here. And that's the thing about like market ordering out. Sometimes it's just like you market order, you hit it like here, and it's like filled here. So let's open up the about 2,000 shares at 411. Wow, that's way off. 403 and 411. Let's leave that there for just a second, just to see. Okay, so 407. There is no 407s on this ticker. Okay, so I bought 4,000 at 411. Picked up another 4,000 as it came down to 403. Sold 1,000 at 413. 1,000 at 414, and the other 2,000 down here at 390 for a $210 loss. That was in on that ticker. CEI, took another trade on it in the afternoon. It was another loser, another $90. That was right here. As it surged down, I thought I'd try to dip buy. Let me open up the thing so I can get the exact prices. Bought 3,000 shares at 286, sold at 283. That was a $90 loser. DPW, we already went over that. CTIB. This is the stock that basically put me in the green today. So if I did not trade this one at, what was it, 304. If I didn't just get lucky and find this trade, I would have been in the red. Basically, let's see. Well, no, I would have been, yeah, I'd have been in the red like $5. Because I made $5.30 on this. My P&L today was $5.25. So I would have been in the green $5. No, I would have been in the red. Minus 5 plus 530 equals 525. Okay, yeah, I'd have been in the red $5 if it wasn't for this trade. But this trade put me up, you know, $525. So I didn't even have my computer open. So I did the trade. I entered the trade on my phone as the program was booting up. I had my website up with Sean Deckmar's, you know, trading services where he does commentary, and I had my other platform up, this one, because I was trying to find trades to do, you know, make money, because this is real money. There's no pattern day trader rule. You can trade as many times as you want. I have $14,000 buying power. The only limitation is you can't trade any stock. So I didn't even have Thinkorswim loaded, but Sean was like, CTIB is spiking hard on volume. It's probably going to get halted. I mean, I can just, you know, put my thumb on my phone and bam, trading platforms up, type in CTIB. I just market ordered in. Oh, CTIB. 5,000 shares. Let's see. Boom, boom. So market ordered in 5,000 shares. It gets filled right before the halt. And as soon as it comes out, I get out with 3,000 shares at, I sold 2,000, 3,000. Yeah, anyways. So 3,000 at 331 and 2,000 at 142. Sorry, I'm just getting tired. It's getting late. So it comes out of the halt, spikes up. I hit, immediately hit sell and ask. Got filled here, went a little higher, but then as it flushed down, I sold the rest as quickly as it could. Trying to see if it says market. It don't say whether or not it was a market order or whatever. Anyways, that one saved my ass. Or, well, I mean, I would have only been down $5, but still. it put me up in the green for a decent day. Let's pull this over. Let's see, what am I doing? Okay, I wanted to pull OBS up so I could see what you could see. Dashboard, reports. Let's clear this out so we can see. Okay, boom. So, third green day in a row. I'm up pretty heavy on the month because of yesterday. Details. $15,068 total profit. So you can see, well, no, you can't see. Boom. The original 5 grand I started with is now 20 grand. So I wish that I could do this with my other account, but unfortunately, I would say 85% of the stocks that I trade on this, account, it won't let me trade on the other account because of restrictions that they have set, I guess, to keep you from trading risky stocks. But anyways, my percentage actually went down. Yesterday it was 54% win rate. Now it's 53. I do have apparently more losers than winners, but my winners are usually much bigger than my losers, so that's good. Technically, my largest loss is still bigger than my largest win. Let's see. Let's go take a look at the calendar. Let's see what I'm up on the month. That's interesting to know. I wish it just added it up. Maybe there's a way. There is a way. Let me go back. Overview. Maybe if I click that. No, that's the whole. No. Performance by month. Boom. So I made $9,300. Okay. I'm up $5,709 in the month. That's not bad. Ooh. So November I made $9,300. Not too far behind. December's been harder though for some reason. I mean, we've had more opportunity, but maybe I'll just do worse when I have more money. I had followed rules more in November. That might be part of it. But anyways, that's my trading for the day and month, week. We'll be back at it tomorrow to see if we can make some more money. So, thanks for watching.